Hi, I'm Jeremy Roop with Granite Industries, and today I'm going to be walking you through one of our most popular warehouse racks. This particular model features 72-inch legs and 8-inch casters. Its most popular application is obviously in warehousing, but specifically we've seen these and sold these to the special event industry where they're used to hold tables, chairs, inflatables, tents, really anything that you might come across in a typical event company. These are great racks for your warehouse. So I'll start by walking through some of the most popular features on the racks, and then I'll finish with the most common specs so you can know when you're buying one of these racks that it's going to meet your needs. So I'll start by explaining the 8-inch casters. So there's 8-inch casters on all four corners. They feature a rubber tread, and on every cart there's 2 swivel casters in the front, as you can see here, and 2 fixed casters in the rear. That allows for easy maneuverability on hard surfaces. And also note, these front swivel casters also are locking. So if you ever are in a situation where you want this cart to stay in place, you just put that foot brake down and it holds the cart in place. So as mentioned previously, these legs are removable, and that makes it very easy to load and unload the cart depending what you're putting inside. If you're loading tables, if you're loading chairs, all 4 of these legs are capable of coming out, and it also reduces the footprint of the cart. If you're needing to transport it empty, you can just set these inside here and then E-strap them down. You can actually do that with all these legs, and you can see that it allows for a very small footprint for transporting the legs and the carts. So new within the last year, we've introduced removable caps, and that has been a feature that has been asked for a little while now from our customers. The reason being that when they're loading them in trailers, they want to make sure that these cups aren't scratching the side of the trailer and damaging their trailers. So all 4 of these corners, these cups can come out if you need to take them out for transport, and they easily pop back in just with a very simple snap pin. Another standard feature on our carts is the E-strap pockets. And so you can see very easily on this rack, we've got 1, 2, 3 on each side. And then we also have 1 on each end for a total of 8 E-strap pockets. And here we've got our E-straps that we sell, but you can use any E-straps that you may have, just any standard E-strap works. And simply, put it into the pocket, ratchet it down. Makes it a great way to help secure your load, whether you're transporting it to a location or a venue, or just having it around a warehouse. It helps to make sure that these chairs, or if you have tables on there, that they're not going anywhere. And it also really helps with inventorying, because you can stack your total amount and then E-strap them down, and you know when you go to grab that load the next time exactly how many chairs are on that rack. In this case, we have stacks of 50 across the top. When it comes to moving the racks around a warehouse, we've got a couple options with our racks. You've obviously got the 8-inch casters, which I've talked about, but also built into each rack is a set of fork pockets on each side. So this is on the other side, and also you can see that we have them on the end side too. So you can grab this rack from really any angle. And another advantage with our racking is that you can stack them up to 3 high. And these pockets are designed to help line up the cart when you're dropping it down and setting it in place, so it sets in place securely. Now, if you are stacking them up to 3 high, or even just 1 high, we recommend our base, which is designed to help keep the casters off the ground, just helps extend the life of your casters, and also makes the rack a lot more secure. When it comes to build quality, we pride ourselves on the durability and strength of our products. And so we use the biggest diameter tube that we've seen out there for any warehouse racking. And it's all made here in the USA at Granite Industries. We take it from raw steel to finished product, and we back it all with a 3-year warranty. So now I'm going to walk through some of the most common specs or questions people have regarding specs with a warehouse racking. So it measures overall from cup edge here to cup edge here is 63 inches, and the overall width is 38 inches, and the overall height is 79 inches. So the way we get 72-inch legs, it actually measures to the bottom here, to the top. That's how we measure 72 inches on this. And your inside usable space is 31 inches width to width and 56 inches length to length and 66 inches from the bottom here to the top. And so we rate this at a 3,000 pound capacity. And so obviously with like chairs and tables, you're not gonna hit that weight capacity, but volume wise, you can stack, we've got 150 polyfold chairs shown here. You can stack 75 2-inch resin chairs, or you can stack 30 tables, assuming that they are obviously within the 31-inch width and about 2 inches thick. So that would be about 60 inches up. And each rack weighs 185 pounds. So that about covers it on our warehouse racking. We make a smaller version that's 33 inches tall. We make all different other sizes depending on your application, but this is our most common by far. It's the one we have in stock the most often. And so if you have any other questions, you can reach out to us by phone at 877-447-2648. You can check us out at graniteind.com, or you can just leave a message in the comments below and we'll get back to you.